Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the 7 key differences between population geography and demography. Firstly, population geography focuses on the spatial distribution of populations, while demography specifically studies population size, structure, and dynamics. Population geography examines the factors that influence population patterns, such as migration, urbanization, and environmental factors, whereas demography primarily analyzes birth rates, death rates, and population growth. The scope of population geography is broader, encompassing the study of population densities, movements, and characteristics, whereas demography offers a more quantitative analysis of population data. Population geography looks at how populations interact with their physical environment, considering aspects like land use, resources, and climate, while demography is more concerned with the statistical analysis of population data. In terms of methods, population geography employs a range of techniques like GIS mapping, satellite imagery, and field surveys, whereas demography relies heavily on statistical analysis and mathematical models. Population geography also explores the social and cultural aspects of populations, such as language, ethnicity, and religion, while demography mainly focuses on age, sex, marriage, and the life cycle. Population geography provides a more holistic understanding of spatial patterns and processes, while demography provides more precise and specific population statistics. Lastly, population geography often collaborates with other disciplines like sociology, anthropology, and urban planning, whereas demography is a distinct field of study in itself. So, while both population geography and demography contribute to our understanding of human populations, they approach the subject from different angles and with specialized methodologies. That concludes our video on the 7 key differences between population geography and demography. We hope you found it informative and stay tuned for more content on this fascinating topic.